Hi y'all, welcome back to GroFit with Tammy. Today's video is going to be a quick overview of the step-by-step process to make water kefir. If you need information on why you're making it and exactly what tools and supplies you need, then please refer to the link here for my descriptive video, How to Make Water Kefir, or it's down in the description notes below. Today's video is if you just need a quick refresher of the process or you have your supplies ready and you just want to quickly walk through it with me. Let's get started. The supplies you're going to need are a clean jar, your water kefir grains, a wooden or plastic spoon, and your sugar. Step one is make your sugar water. To my jar, I'm going to add 1/4 cup of sugar. And top it up with your filtered or spring water if you have it. Secure the lid and mix it in until it's completely dissolved. Sugar's all mixed in. Now for step two. I'm going to add in my grains, and this is about 2 to 3 tablespoons of kefir grains. I'm going to loosely put my lid back on, but I also use either a cheesecloth or a dishcloth with a rubber band around. You want to keep some circulation in there, some airflow, but you want to keep the little insects and fruit flies out. So now this jar is ready to go to the warmest spot in my kitchen. This water kefir has sat for more than 48 hours. It's taking just a little bit longer in the colder winter months, but I can see activity. I have some floating grains in there and teeny little bubbles rising to the top. And one sure test is to give it a sniff. If it starts to get a slightly pungent smell, you know your ferment has been taking place. Another way is just continue tasting from when you make your sugar water and throughout the process. You will quickly get a feel for what you're looking for. It's up to you how pungent you want your water kefir to be. Now I'm ready to bottle it so that it's ready to drink. I'm just removing the water kefir grains so I can set up another batch to get started with their ferment. And there go the grains. Now this kefir is ready to drink as is. Whatever you don't finish, you can put in the fridge and it will keep for 5 to 7 days. Now you can also take this and create a second ferment, which you can also refer to my How to Make Water Kefir video for that process as well. And if you're having any problems, I have one more video, the link is here, and that's for common mistakes and problems when making water kefir. I hope this has been helpful. Keep on that journey to feeling fit and fabulous. You're already well on your way. Bye, y'all.